Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Verilog coding with me. So let's get started. In the last video, I have discussed 2:1 multiplexer using a ternary operator. But in this video, I will be showing how you can write the same using the case statements. So the first and the foremost thing is that you have to declare output as register, as we will be using an always block. So why always block is used? So if you want to know why always block and why register are declared, you can check out my another playlist where I will be teaching the Verilog basics. So always at start begin, and we will be declaring case, and inside we will be declaring select. This is our select line. Depending on this, our output will be selected. So whenever the case or select line is 0, the output will be equal to A, and whenever the select line is 1, the output will be equal to B. So we have to end the case and we have to end the always block. So let's submit this and see how the output comes and what will be our status. So as you can see, compilation process has been started, and as you can see, the status is success. So there are many different types of like methodologies you can refer. Like for the same problem statement, I have used two type methods. One is the ternary operator, which will be a solution in around one line, and this will be around 2-3 lines. So that's all for this video. In the next video, we will be seeing 2-to-1 bus multiplexer. So you can see here the timing diagrams for selected test case.